This is Marlo with Daisy DIY Flowers again, and now I'm going to show you how to do a bridesmaid's bouquet. It's just a smaller version generally of your bridal bouquet, but you can do really whatever you want. There are really no rules. It's what your tastes and what your wants are. I'm going to kind of show you a little bit how to prep greens. I have all my flowers ready to go. I've taken all the leaves off of my roses, and I've petaled back any of my guard petals that need to come off, so those are ready to go. I've got some of my greens here, and I'm just going to show you kind of what I do to prep them. I don't need this long stem, so I'm actually going to cut this stem in half, and then I'm going to cut off just a couple of these smaller ones to give me more of a straight stem. And I'm going to save these because these will work great in corsages or around candles, that kind of thing. And do it again on this one. I'm going to cut it down, cut just a few of these bottom ones off. And now we're ready to start to build. I'm going to start with my larger flowers kind of toward the middle. And as I go, I kind of turn. Put one and kind of turn it. Add a little bit of green in here. While they're in your hand, you could kind of pull them up and pull them down and adjust them. I'm actually going to take this one off. It's much lower than the others. Same with this. I've got two on this one stem that'll really have a long stem. So I'm going to cut those, and that's going to give me double the flowers for one stem. Same with this one. Just holding it in my hand and turning it as I go. Once I have all my flowers in there, now I'm going to build my collar with my greenery around my flowers with those more greens. So simple and pretty. All right, there it is. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take and tie this off with a zip tie just to kind of hold it together. Set it down. Let's see how to do that. Oh, other way. You ever do that? Try to put the zip tie in the wrong way, it won't pull. I just did it. There we go. So pretty. So now what I'm going to do is, my stems are still long. I haven't cut them. I'm going to cut them so that I can put them down in a vase of water until the day of the ceremony. And then the day of the ceremony, I will, or that's the day that you want to add any ribbon or embellishment to your stems. This is also a fun way to bond with your bridesmaids. Have them all come over and do their own. How fun is that?